think the first factor is something that we don't ever like to do, I think, which is take responsibility. And it was easier before, like when we didn't take responsibility over the, let's just say in a small period of time over the last 18, 24 months, the market delivered a lot of results for a lot of people. And we really didn't have to, we weren't called on anything that we were not doing. So if you really weren't working on your skills, the market took care of you. If you really weren't working on your generating, the market took care of you. If you weren't working on your service, the market took care of you. Your knowledge of the market took care of you. Didn't have to take a lot of responsibility. Now, the first step is you're going to have to take responsibility. The great news is you're in charge of all of those things. You're in charge of how much time you commit to them, and your results will be directly related to how much ownership you take of your own production from here through the next time when we're all going, wow, well, we're in this new shift, which maybe is going the other direction. And so if you take that responsibility, then your mind's going to be in the right place. Go, you know what? All right. So I'm going to probably have to buckle down and do a few things differently, but you're the one in charge. Imagine being in some industries and some careers where it really doesn't matter how you wake up in the morning. Something's affected your business that you literally can't go do it. Mm-hmm. You own acreage and you just had a fire come through and you're a farmer and you lost all your crops or your building or something like that. Like, we can go and get up and go do the right things every day and make the impact that we need to do. A lot of industries you can't. So I would say the first thing is take responsibility that you run your own business.